The last month of the year is here, and while it's supposed to be the most joyful one, sometimes it can be a bit stressful, right? With a month that looks so different from the others, how can we stay consistent in our goals and be healthy during December? Today, I'm going to give you simple tips for that while I share my day with you. As usual, I woke up early and headed to the gym. It's really important to maintain your routine as much as possible. I know it's hard, but it's key to mitigating the setbacks of this time of the year. Consistency is your best friend. Then I went to work for a couple of hours at this cute coffee shop. A change of scenery can be refreshing and keeps the creative juices flowing. Remember, a little bit of planning goes a long way with balancing work and wellness.
I would say I see it by talking with my clients that maybe it's the most challenging time of the year. Stick to your routine as much as possible because I know suddenly we have so many things to do. We have Christmas shopping, we have holiday parties, we have so many things that it's so easy to not stick to our routine. And for me, that's the source of problem because the key of the success, for a healthy lifestyle is to maintain consistency. Consistency is key. Consistency trumps anything when we talk about health. So for me, stick to your routine as much as you can first. And secondly, still about the routine, we know it's normal to have like holiday parties and to have things that are not the most healthy things to do. So once we have those episodes when we get out of track, we have to immediately come back to track as soon as possible because that's another dangerous thing that usually happens this time of the year. We have like a holiday party on a Tuesday and then on a Wednesday, and by Friday we think, oh my god, this week was lost. And what I say is, even if you stayed out of track like for 2-3 days, come back as soon as possible. If you have a holiday party tonight, be prepared for tomorrow, hit the gym, stick to your meals and everything. As soon as you come back, the less the damage, because the longer you stay out of your routine, the more difficult it is to come back. So try to have this mindset that sometimes you get out of track. That's normal, but you have to come back as soon as possible.
After that, I went to Costco for my weekly grocery shopping. We all know we are going to indulge in a lot of tasty food this month. So be prepared to eat as healthy as possible, at least at home. Try to be a little more restricted with your grocery shopping in December. Avoid buying your usual treats and spare your calories for the holiday dishes you are going to encounter at all the holiday parties and gatherings. The key is eat healthy at home and be guilty-free at events. By the way, I usually share my weekly grocery items in my newsletter. If you want, you can sign up for that at lucianawellness.com. For lunch today, we have salmon with quinoa that I prepared the night before. Cooking double at night is such a time saver. It means you don't have to worry about your next day's lunch. In the afternoon, I decided to experiment to find a healthier version of gingerbread cookies. Here's a tip. Always ask yourself how you can make each recipe a little healthier. It doesn't mean it has to be 100% healthier, but consider making small changes, like using whole wheat flour instead of white, natural sweeteners instead of sugar, or ways to add more protein. During this adventure, I came up with a good cookie recipe, but I still have to work on the icing. I promise to share it on my newsletter as soon as I perfect it. At night, I prepared dinner. This time, I cooked sweet potato to go with my shrimp and bell pepper. Shrimp is an excellent protein source that's sometimes overlooked. And the best part? I already have my tomorrow's lunch ready. So there you have it, a day in my life during December, balancing wellness and the festive spirit. Remember, it's all about making small, mindful choices that add up to a healthier you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and don't forget to breathe, smile, and embrace the holiday season with a healthy, happy heart.